So we talked about Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I'm going to just walk you through as to what it looks like. I guess you're going to get your hands dirty anyway, so I'm going to just open this thing. By the way, we're going to launch it from an Anaconda install like this. I'm going to go to Anaconda, and this is where you will find Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so I guess we talked about markdown mode. Okay, so this is what it will look like. So if you want to insert, okay, let me delete this cell. Okay, you want to insert a cell above, you're going to enter A. Okay, you cannot insert a cell, as I said, when you have this cursor in that cell. Okay, so the A doesn't work. Okay, because it's going to literally type A there. Okay, so instead you have to click this and then type A, or if you want to insert a cell below this, you type B. Okay, and if you want to delete this cell, you type D twice, DD, DD, DD. Okay, and let's say A equals, let's assign 5, B equals 7. Okay, and you want to execute this code, A times B. Okay, and you say shift enter. Okay, it's going to give 35, or you could do the same thing, B. Okay, control enter, it's going to give 35. Okay, shift enter or control enter. Okay, whenever you have a code cell, you start, so every time by default it's going to insert a code cell. Okay, you want to convert that into a cell where you want to write text, you want to press M. Okay, and that shortcut we already went through, but I'm just going through it one more time just in case, right? So you can say this is so much fun. Okay, and you have to just shift and enter, so you're executing that code. You want to make it bold, you can do this. I think you can write B towards the end, and it's going to be bold. You want to make it italic, you replace B with I, and this is all stuff you can Google. Okay, so what else? Plus there is all these different things you can do. You want to have a list, you can do that, or numbered list, or an ordered list, you can do that. Okay, and one hash is or one I guess if you want to change the font size, like the header font size, you can either have single hash, double hash, triple hash. So it's going to just decrease the size of that header font. Okay, and I think that's about it. And you can write as big a code as you want here in one cell, or you can enter A equals 4 here, B equals 6. Okay, for let's say for let's not enter, for A times B. Okay, A divide by B, A power B. Okay, so it's only going to execute the last one. Okay, so if you want to execute all of them, okay, you want to enter one at a time. Okay, so here you're going to enter A star B, A multiplied by B, then A divide B, control X, B. Okay, and you want to execute this 24, this whatever the decimal point is, and this right there. Okay, so this, by the way, stands for A raised to B. Okay, A to the power of B. Okay, so that's it for Jupyter Notebook. We'll move on to a little bit of a review on Python. Okay, I know you went through that Python Code Academy course. We're going to just run through some more of Python. Okay, just in case. Okay.